Hey guys, it's Mocktail Monday again, and this Monday I'm doing things a little bit different. It's later in the day, so I decided to couple today's mocktail with my meal. So it's 11:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm doing breakfast. So you probably can't see this. I have eggs in here, so I'm making eggs. So it's gonna be a little more interactive today. So I have eggs that I have beat that I am about to make scrambled eggs with. I have chocolate chip pancake batter in here. Can't see it, dang. We getting close and personal today, y'all. Can you see? I have my pancake batter, and I have chocolate chip pancakes in here. I also have turkey bacon on, and hopefully that will give you some sort of clue as to what our mocktail will be. So I'm making breakfast, and whenever I think about breakfast or brunch, I always think about mimosas. So we're gonna make mimosas. But first I need to put my pancakes on because I'm getting hungry. So let me just do that real quick, and then I will get my mimosa stuff. And this will be a really short mocktail Monday because it don't take long at all to make mimosas. Last week we did peach bellinis, and the only difference between a mimosa and a bellini, because I had a brain fart last week and I couldn't remember what went into a mimosa, but a mimosa is just orange juice and champagne, and a bellini is just peach, like peach puree, fresh peaches with champagne, and or you can use sparkling wine like a prosecco or something. But of course, because this is a mocktail, we won't be using champagne or prosecco. We'll be using non-alcoholic wine and sparkling apple juice, just so we can get that fizz, that bubble, that kind of luxe champagne feel with our orange juice. But first, I gotta put my breakfast on. And I know you might be thinking like, dang, it's late to be cooking breakfast. It is. Breakfast for dinner, it is. But with everything that has been going on just in our world, in our society, right now, my eating habits have just been all over the place. And so I just have to eat when I can eat. So I'm doing some mini chocolate chip pancakes, turkey bacon, eggs. So let's go ahead. Whoop. So you can see can you see my pancakes? Can you see my pancakes? Got my pancakes on. Let me get our mocktail ingredients. So we got our non-alcoholic wine that we had last week. We still have some left. We have our sparkling apple juice, Honeycrisp apple, and then I got orange juice. So let me dock you, and I'll go ahead and make our mimosa. Apologies if the camera is really shaky. Just kind of doing the best I can right now. Okay. So what do I need? I got glasses. And let me angle this down a little better. I already have some pancakes ready. I'll put those to the side. But let's see. So you can see our glasses. You see our ingredients again, our orange juice. We got our wine, non-alcoholic wine. Dublin, not sure. Oh, I had already taken the top off so it don't flew off, y'all. And our sparkling apple. So in my world, mimosas have more wine or champagne. Then they have orange juice. So I'm gonna fill this up halfway. And you can do it however you would like. Whatever type of sparkling wine you want to use is cool. Prosecco. You can use, you can even use a rosé, whatever is your favorite. Sparkling apple, it just gives us that fizz, that champagne feel. You see the bubbles that it adds. So that's what I'm using this for. In a regular mimosa, you wouldn't necessarily have to use 3 ingredients. And then I have my Simply Orange that I've already been drinking out of. Not out of the container, but out of the bottle. Not out of the bottle with my mouth, you know what I mean. So yeah, you just top this off with your orange juice. And there you have it. It's literally that simple. Mimosas. And it smells so good. And it just reminds me of breakfast. So let me show you my sign because I did write it out. Mimosas for this week. As you can see, my sentiment here. Yeah. That's really all I have. That's really all I have for you all today. So thank you for tuning in to Mocktail Monday episode 5. And that's how I feel. That's how I feel, y'all. That's how I feel. Just like popping off. But no, if you have suggestions for next week, let me know. Drop them in the comments. If you liked this episode, I felt like it was all over the place, but I'm not going to apologize because I feel all over the place too. But mimosas, baby. Mimosas. Yes. Yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for tuning in.